So here I want to add my CAROTONE serum. CAROTONE serum help with dark knuckles, dark elbows. This product is amazing because of all the ingredients we are using. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Extreme Therapy. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. So in today we are going to be looking at how to premix effective dark knuckles, dark thigh, dark elbow products. So these are all our ingredients laid out already. This is what we are working with. This is CAROTONE BSC serum. As you can see, it works for dark feet, dark elbow. It works for anything dark patches on the skin. Then the second one here is Adijath Tough Spots Remover Cream, and it also works for the same stuff we are talking about. Look at the knee. This is before, this is the after. So we carefully select today's ingredients and look at all the ingredients here. It has salicylic acid that will help to exfoliate the dead skin cells. Then we have here a light up tube. This product, it has the ash, it has other colors, but today we are going to be working with it. Sorry, this is new light tube. So, and it works, but one thing about this, when you are using it, you have to use it very little because it can make your product to be watery. This is the fit for you to know that, as I said, we carefully selected all the products. So when you are using it, just use it very little. Then we have here Melly White. You can call it Melly White, you can call it Bell Face. This Bell Face, we are going to be still using this because we want to achieve a very wonderful result. No matter how tough the fit is, the elbows, the dark thigh, the dark buttocks, this product is going to wipe it off within no time. This CAROTONE, and we all know that CAROTONE works for dark knuckles as well. The CAROTONE works effectively for dark knuckles. You can even use it like that and you are still going to be seeing the results. So another ingredient here is Adijath Dark Corrector. It has the same ingredients with New Light Ash cream that we are using. So if you are using these two products, please, it has to be very little, as it might turn your production watery. Like, it will make it to be so watery that you'll be looking for something to correct it, and if you don't have much base, it will spoil it. So this is it's helped to remove dead cells and all that. Then we have here Clay Hall. Clay Hall is very amazing, but recently they've started faking it in the market. So you can see the dark knuckles, you can see what it works for. So they have the carrot and they have the turmeric. This one we are using today, they have the carrot, the turmeric, and the papaya. So we are using the papaya. The last but not the least is shea butter, because we want this product to moisturize. What leads to all this dark patch and everything is because those places is actually dry. So let's go to the workstation and you see how we are making this live. So here we start again. Here is our mixing bowl, and we don't want any bacterial in this, so we are going to disinfect it with ethanol and set it aside for it to dry. So we start by opening all the ingredients. These are CAROTONE BSC. The second one is so we are just opening everything. So when we start our mix, we're just gonna go straight to the point. So these products, if you know you have anybody or yourself, you've been having dark knuckles, a lot of things actually lead to dark knuckles. If you have dry skin, if you have if you're always dipping your hand inside the water, you know that your skin, your hands is prone to be dry, especially those that have dry skin. So some people have this naturally. I've seen a lot of dark people that have dark knuckles, like very bad dark knuckles. Not that they are using any ash product, but just that that's their nature. So kindly take note, you need to exfoliate for this thing to actually work very fast. So make sure you try to exfoliate with a good scrub that contains salicylic acid. So we are using 1 tablespoon of CAROTONE BSC. We are not making this in large quantity, we are just going to be doing little of it. Then we measure out the ingredients. This is CAROTONE. This is the second one that we are putting. This is the New Light Ash. New Light Ash. When you are putting it, please put little. You can decide to increase your ingredient, but you see this New Light Ash, it might spoil production for you, like the way I said it earlier. I've had that kind of issues a lot of times. So I was wondering what actually go wrong. It was later I noticed that it was this new light ash. So it's very good. You can still use it alone, but if you use new light ash alone, after some time that knuckles will make your hand to feel so dry, and the knuckles will be very terrible after that. So we add Armpit dark spot corrector, 1 tablespoon. This is the new light ash. Sorry, the other one we added was Adijath. Is this new light ash? I'm telling you that it's very good, but you just have to know the quantity you are using. Look at it here. We are using very little because I don't want to spoil my production like the way it was before. So it wasn't a good one at all. So this bell face, still the same 1 tablespoon. You can use this as your knuckles oil. You can still use it as a knuckles cleanser, but a lot of people complain that after using it, it treats it and it's redarkening. And because of that redarkening, that's why we decided to add that shea butter that you see. A shea butter is not here. It's actually I've taken it to where I want to melt it. So it's currently melting, and when we are done melting it, we are going to add it into this production. Make sure you stir it very well. It's from this stirring that you are going to know that if something has actually gone wrong, especially on this mix. Because if your new light touch is much from here, you'll be able to know. Then if it's not much, like see it here, even very little that I added is already looking watery, but it's not too bad. I'm still going to add very little of my main base. The main base is CAROTONE BSC, so that is what we are using as our base. And don't forget that LOTION also is a very good product. So here it has melted already. We are just going to be using, you just use double boiler method. That's what I use. Double boiler method is for you to put your pot on your stove or on your gas with little water, and you just dip this inside. Remember, you're not pouring it inside, just leave the container like that inside. The heat is going to help to melt it. That method make dissolve butters without you eating it, because if you eat it, it's going to lose the consistency. So that's what we do. This knuckles product is for you to scrub very well. Use it strictly at night. During the day, make sure you use hand cream, good moisturizing hand cream. Though a lot of people still complain about hand cream giving them dark knuckles, just make sure it contains sunscreen. Yeah, sunscreen is very important when you are getting dark knuckles products. When you are getting what am I saying? So sorry about that. When you are getting your hand cream, make sure it contains sunscreen, because if you don't have sunscreen, using that product might even start to make your hand to be very dark. So we have added our clear oil serum that I said we are using, the papaya. So yeah, I'm stirring it very well. Stir it very well. So make sure that it's not going to be lumpy. I'm not going to stick blend this, but if you stick blend, it's going to be very thick. It's going to make it very thick, but I'm not stick blending because it's just very little that I'm making for someone that I need to give. She's already waiting for it. So let me just add very little of this base again. But if you stick blend this, trust me, it's going to be very thick. But already I love this consistency because it looks milky, not too drying. And remember, the shea butter there is going to help the hand to moisturize. It's going to moisturize. In as much as you are treating any dark parts on your body, you need to moisturize, because you know the hands, the knuckles, the elbow, it's like God created those parts differently. Because looking at it alone, you know that those joints, you know, they are joints, so they are the one that connects the other parts to the other parts. So please, when you are using that, try to moisturize those places. If you moisturize, trust me, you won't keep treating dark knuckles or dark feet or anything every now and then. Look at it here. Oh my god, I love this. So guys, if you know you love this video, you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. We are going to be dropping our number on the description box. You can reach out to us for recommendation. You can just anything. And also, if you want us to talk about any product, like you want us to do a mix or you want us to do a review, drop it at the comment section. I will be there. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post a video. You are not paying money to subscribe, oh please, oh, it's free of charge. Support me, support your girl. So anytime we post a video, you'll be the first to get notified. And also YouTube will show this video to other people like you. Who knows, you can be a brother's keeper, helping other people to, maybe if someone see this video, it will help them to get rid of anything they are treating. So here is it. I've already turned it into the packaging I want to use to give it to the clients. So thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate for you to stay up to this minutes. Thanks for your time. So I will see you next on my video.